How long should a 22-month-old nap? If you're wondering how long your 22-month-old should be napping, you're not alone. Understanding the sleep needs of your toddler can be a bit confusing, but let's break it down. At 22 months, your child is still growing and developing rapidly, and sleep is a crucial part of this process. Here's what you need to know. Most 22-month-olds need one nap a day, and this nap should last for a specific amount of time. The general guideline is that your 22-month-old should have about 1.5 to 3 hours of daytime sleep. This can vary slightly, but aiming for a nap that falls within this range is a good starting point. For example, a typical nap schedule might look like this. Your child wakes up in the morning around 7:30 a.m., has about 5 to 6 hours of awake time before their nap, and then naps from around 12:45 p.m. to 2:45 p.m. This gives them a 2-hour nap, which is right in the middle of the recommended range. It's also important to note that if your child is still sleeping at the 3-hour mark, it's a good idea to wake them up. This helps maintain a consistent bedtime and ensures they get enough active awake time during the day. If your child is struggling to get the full 2 to 3 hours of daytime sleep, don't worry. Offering quiet time in their crib or sleep space can still be beneficial, even if they don't fall asleep. This helps them develop independent play habits and gives you a much-needed break. Remember, every child is unique, so these guidelines are just that, guidelines. Be flexible and adjust the nap schedule based on your child's individual needs and cues. Consistency is key, so try to stick to a routine that works for both you and your child. By understanding and following these nap guidelines, you can help your 22-month-old get the rest they need to stay happy and healthy.